In this video, I go over what I packed for 2+ weeks on a Baltic summer sailing trip. 8 of us crew pack into a Bavaria 39 and head north from the coast of Poland, the port of Świnoujście, under the guidance of this guy. You'll notice that even though I pack minimally, I'm still ready for a variety of scenarios because even in the summer, conditions can get pretty wild. Another thing worth noting is that I also pack for a long train ride because usually I take like 14-15 hour train ride from the bottom to the top of Poland. So there's a couple things in there just to make me comfortable. So for those of you who know me, you know that I swear by this backpack. It's a 40-liter REI Co-op day pack. I bought it like 3 years ago, so those of you who have been on this YouTube channel for a while too, I did all of Switzerland in this. So yeah, this is what I use. I like it because it has these daisy chains, so it makes it really easy to attach stuff. I have a lock on here if I feel like I need to lock my backpack together. I also have this collapsible bag that I got at REI that's easily just, you know, like really small size of my hand, and then it turns into a pretty large bag. It's got a side pocket here, double side pockets here. It has a zipper pocket here in which I always carry a giant garbage bag and a poncho, just, you know, for emergencies and stuff. These unclip here, which is really awesome. Both sides unclip. There's a zipper pocket at the top. There's lots of like, oh shit. There's lots of like loops and stuff that you can attach stuff to. It does have a chest strap. It has a waist pack strap combo, so you got 2 pockets here. I like to keep like chargers and like things that I need immediately in here. This one's like water resistant and this one's not. It does have a whistle. Where is it? It has a whistle on here in your chest strap. I do believe that the men's version also has this. This is the women's version. And yeah, just like a lot of loops everywhere. You can attach stuff in here. I actually did 10 days in the Alps with just this backpack. I probably would use my actual backpacking backpack that I have. I have an Osprey 65 liter now, so definitely use that. But this worked. So you've got straps down here. You can attach like a sleeping mat or anything long like a tent or a sleeping bag. And then my rain cover hides in this pocket here. I also really like this bag for traveling because you can open it from the top, but you also have these zippers at the bottom on both sides. So if you have something that you're trying to get out the bottom, it's just really easy to just open this up and then stick your hand in and pull it out. On the inside, you have this zippered pocket here, which I don't really use it for much, but I would probably use it for like my passport if like I don't need it and I want to hide it somewhere, because it goes all the way to the bottom down there. But otherwise you can't really fit much other than maybe like a folder or something. And here you can hide like a laptop or a water bladder. This tightens if you want it to. I've really never used the tightening mechanism, but then you also have a side pocket here, which I like to hide things that are small, so like underwear, socks, to kind of separate it. And then you have a pocket at the top here. It's a mesh pocket, so I'll typically use that for other small things or dirty laundry. Yeah, that's the Trail 40. I can't recommend it enough. I'm super happy with this backpack. So yeah, let's just move on to what I'm actually packing. I'm taking my whole camera and my film camera and SD cards and chargers and stuff like that. It's all charged up and ready to go because on the boat we do not have power unless we're plugged in at port, and we're not always plugged in and can't really predict when we will be, so I have extra batteries and all that stuff. I'm bringing lots of snacks. My favorite is dried mango and pistachios. I also like Mio because I lose a lot of electrolytes. It's really hot during the summer here, so yeah, for those of you who are always asking me if like Poland's really cold, yes, it does get cold in the wintertime, but we have 4 seasons just like most places in the States. Got granola bars, coffee, gum. We'll definitely need coffee in the morning. And then I'm taking my over-the-ear headphones and then backup regular like iPhone headphones in here. People can be loud on the train. Also, we're stopping and going a lot. There's people coming in and out. So if I'm trying to get a good sleep, I just put white noise on. I'm also bringing a notebook because I like to journal while I'm out in nature and in general. So yeah, I just take notes. Then I have, you know, like toothpaste, toothbrush, all the basic stuff, tweezers, face wash, and like patchouli. And that's basically all that's in here. Obviously a hairbrush because my hair gets crazy. I have my knee taped up right now because I am 4 months post ACL surgery, so I've got some on right now. So this stuff kind of helps me get through the day if I'm in pain. And of course, sunscreen. And then I have a nice little cotton bag that I like to put my laundry in. Next I have my sand cloud towel that I got for Christmas recently, and I really love it actually. So onto clothes. On the Baltic, the weather can change pretty quickly. It's not hot all the time. So let's start with my shoes. I have Chacos, obviously, because you know, they're the bomb, Tevas and Chacos. Then I have regular tennis shoes, you know, just because sometimes it's too cold for Chacos, but too hot for boots. So I pack those, and then I have heavy winter boots that are also waterproof. Sometimes we have shit conditions and you want to be warm. So I'll tuck my socks and my pants into these boots, and I'm ready to go and ready to face an insane storm if we need to. Basically have to be ready for any kind of weather. So I kind of have like a headband, but also a hat and a heavy sweater that's hoodless. I have 2 t-shirts. I'm not a huge fan of t-shirts in general, so I mostly just wear like tank tops and crop tops. So I have about, what, 5 or 6 of those. And then I have 2 sports bras slash swimsuit tops. I like to wear those over like bikini tops because it keeps everything kind of in place. And then I have just like an easy dress that's made out of like really light denim. When I go shower, or if I just want to like look cute or whatever, I like to just throw on a dress instead of a full on like outfit, because it's just easier and you just showered and you're kind of still damp and stuff. So I just like that. Then I have 3 pairs of pants that could be considered like, well, these are actually kayaking pants. These are hiking pants. These are like yoga pants, but made out of like the same material that my hiking pants are made out of. I got these at TJ Maxx like 6 years ago. They are awesome. Made by Jockey. They don't make them anymore. These are Patagonia. These are literally 40 years old, but I got them from some guy who used to sell like kayaking clothing for a living, and it was like one of their samples, but I think those are really dope. Also have a pair of shorts from REI. Then I mostly just have like bathing suit bottoms for underwear or like hiking underwear. I just like to avoid cotton in sweaty situations, and then I have a few pairs of cotton just for like regular weather days and stuff. I'm also gonna be on my period, so I have these bamboo undies that I wear because I don't like to wear tampons or pads. You easily just wash them and then hang them up, and they're pretty much clean. So they're really great for travel and just to make everything easier. I have 2 pairs of wool socks, which will last you like 3 to 4 days. You can even like wash a pair while wearing another pair in case like all the days I'm there we have horrible weather all the time. They're really warm. I have regular like socks for my other shoes, and then I have a little bit longer socks that I like to wear with my tennis shoes. I like them because they protect my ankles, so if I'm jumping into places where, you know, my ankles could get scratched up, bushes, rocks, whatever, I like to wear them just to protect my ankles. Of course, there is a mask mandate here in indoor spaces, like on trains, so I've got a few medical masks and a few cotton ones because I still double mask. And then I forgot my my regular puffy, so I'm borrowing my mom's, and she loves pink, so this is totally not my style, but it works. It's not like the most compact puffy, and I think she actually got it at Hollister like 10 years ago, but it's really warm, so I'm thankful that she's letting me borrow this. So I keep this washcloth with me just because I'm also weird about borrowing towels or like towels in hotels usually, and just anything like that. Of course, you have to have some sort of hat in case it's like full sun. So I have my favorite little ball cap here that I wear pretty much everywhere. It's pretty old. Shout out to my old roommate for this hat. And then I have a rain jacket and rain pants, both Gore-Tex, because if it's raining and you are sailing in water, you need, you know, to be fully waterproof. Of course, I have my trusty fanny pack where I keep my wallet, my passport, and all that stuff. I have my sunglasses that I've had for a really, really long time. They do have one of these things because sometimes I actually drop them a lot. So I really need one of these. And then I have one of these guys, which is amazing because sometimes we are not plugged in and I need to charge my camera or my phone, so having this backup power is really useful. I also will be carrying my 3-liter platypus, and then it's drying right now, but and then a liter platypus, and then also another liter of water in my hydro flask.
Anyways, if you guys have any specific questions about sailing, or what to pack, or anything related to the outdoors, drop me a comment or shoot me a message, and I'll be happy to answer. I'll see you guys out on the road.